Improperly loading a flow cell can cause erroneous data and damage to the fibrette and flow cell window. This video will show you how to properly load the flow cell to ensure your FlowVPE is operating at its fullest. Open the FlowVPE software KF or KQ. Observe the FlowVPE stage move up to the home position and then back down into the load position. Once the sidebar appears, click on Load Controls. Make sure the Flow Controls window indicates the load status as unloaded. If it says loaded, refer to the FlowVPE Maintenance Flow Cell Unloading video. From the Load Controls window, select the appropriate flow cell number from the drop-down menu. Once the appropriate flow cell type is selected, turn your attention to the FlowVPE. Open the FlowVPE front cover. Make sure the clamp handle is in the up position. Gently insert the flow fibrette into the flow cell, making sure it touches the bottom so that the fibrette is aligned and at the 0 position. Turn over the flow cell to verify the tip of the fibrette is touching the window. Slide the flow cell and fibrette onto the detector module using the dovetail mating surface. Make sure to position the notch of the SC connector on the fibrette towards the front for easy connectivity. Tighten each of the 4 captive fasteners in any order. Push the clamp handle lock up and pull the clamp handle down to set and lock the 0 position for the fibrette. Swing the clamp lock arm into place and tighten the thumb nut to a hard stop. Do not over-tighten. This will secure the surfaces in contact with the fibrette flange and eliminate motion of the fibrette. Feed the delivery fiber through the strain relief. Connect the delivery fiber to an SC-SC adapter. Afterwards, connect the fibrette to the end until there is an audible click. Close the FlowVPE cover. Now turn your attention to your desktop computer. Click the Load button. If using a GXP flow cell, the software will prompt you to enter the serial number of the flow cell. Enter the 8-digit code, then press OK. Otherwise, if using a non-GXP flow cell, the software will not ask you for the serial number. The stage might move depending on the type of flow cell selected. When the Confirm Load prompt appears, confirm that the flow cell is loaded and the fibrette is locked and clamped before selecting Yes. The load status should now read as loaded. For further questions, contact us using the following information.